Welcome guys, this is Poolishness. Today we'll be swapping out this residential heater with a commercial pool heater. So first thing we did, we shut off the gas. Second thing we did was shut them off. Okay, let's see what we kind of got here on this gas line. Bigger wrench. This one. All right. Okay, let's pop this off. Watch out for mice when you open these puppies up. Sometimes rats are living in here. Okay, it's a Mastertemp 400,000 BTU. Let me grab a nut driver. So you don't have to take this one all the way off. It has a little slide slot that you get it and pop it off. It has a diagram on here how to hook it up from 110 to 220. You're not gonna be able to get your power tubes in here, so you're gonna have to use these little 5/16. It has two little slits on the side, so we loosened everything up. So this is 220, because here's the 120 jumper, and they have the 220 jumper in there. So if this was set up for 120, this would be in place. Okay, so let's go ahead and disconnect it. And we are going to use these nuts. Remember, the power is off. Turn this back up so these don't get wet. I'm going to take off the grounding, the bonding. Okay, this is our bonding. Let's see here. Okay, that's our bonding wire. Give me some problems. There we go. Alright. So you might smell a little gas when you take this loose. Okay, so we're gonna take this off while we got it here. Unscrew it. Okay, there we go. It's already set up like it needs to be. It has a clean out